Well, hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up almost 0.4% today, but it was a pretty wild ride. Let me share my screen with you, and I can show you a little bit more detail. All right, so this is a chart we haven't really looked at that often, but what this shows is the VOO, which is the Vanguard's version of the S&P 500. And then every little bar on here is 1 minute. So this is, basically a 2-day chart. You can see, this gray area means after hours. So this thing's still trading. But here today, right, we go up, very nice. Things are looking great. And all of a sudden straight down. So they announced that the stimulus bill was going to be 4 to 6 weeks. I think the expectation was more for 2 weeks. So it adjusted. Honestly, I don't know that there's that much difference between 2 weeks and 4 to 6 weeks to the overall, economy. Definitely a difference for those people that need the money. And I think that's why we saw this kind of recover and a really, really great finish here, actually, which should bode well for tomorrow as far as that goes. If we take a look, just, kind of another piece of this that I think is really important, this is the same security, VOO, the S&P 500 through Vanguard. And here's by the day for the last year. If I go in a little bit closer here, we can see, today, this little tail is actually a really nice thing. It means that it pushed back up off of that low and closed up nicely. And so what happens here, if you look, this is the volume profile, shows how many shares traded at each price. And look at where this thing went to, it went right here. So in terms of where the price is right now, this is our closest level of high support. Then, so basically what happens is the people that bought here, when it went up, they came back in theory, and purchased when it dropped, right? But we have lots of other support areas under here. Here's a huge one. And so this support can be really important. I do think it's one of the more powerful pieces of what we've got right now is a great support level as far as that goes. So altogether, I think things are fine. Our portfolios didn't do as well today just because, we had clean energy kind of take a break. Apple did great. They're supposed to announce earnings here coming up. Some expectations that it might be good earnings. So we'll see what happens. But no problems that I can see with a little bit of today's move. Just kind of interesting to see how much importance the stimulus has to the market right now. I think we'll probably be talking about that some more over time here. So anyway, that's what's going on today. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.